Good morning. Today is Friday, May 22nd, and this is a science lesson for today. So we've been doing some experiments, and today I have a fun one that you can do, especially as it starts to warm up and get closer to summertime. We are going to make ice cream in a bag today. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. I have half and half, but the recipe I found says half and half. You can just use regular milk if you don't have half and half. So there's the milk or half and half. You need some salt. This kind of salt works better, like this coarse salt. Your parents will know what that is. Works a little bit better than just regular table salt. You're gonna need some sugar. You're going to need vanilla. You're going to need about 3 cups of ice and just a little bit of an extra, some cream. Whipped cream will make it taste a little bit better or a little bit closer to the ice cream that you know that you've bought in the store, as opposed to without it. I've tried it both ways. Remember, scientists do trial and error to figure out what's gonna work best. Okay, so we're going to use our ingredients today to make ice cream in a bag. So you can try this at home with an adult's help. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to get about 3 cups of ice and put it in a large Ziploc bag. I went ahead and double bagged it so that way it wouldn't spill out of the bag, or the ice won't make a hole in the bag. That did kind of happen to me last night. So then in the small bag, I'm sorry, I forgot a step. So in the ice bag, you want to have the ice, and here is where you need to add a 1/3 cup of salt. So I'm gonna pour about a 1/3 cup of the salt, and you can kind of see the salt, it's bigger pieces of salt, which is going to work better to make the ice cream. So you're going to pour the salt into the ice bath, and then you're going to zip that closed. You don't want the salt and ice in your ice cream recipe. The salt and ice is just what is going to help turn the liquid ingredients into ice cream. So for this step, you may need another pair of hands to help you. You're going to take the milk, or in my case, I'm using the half and half. You're going to need 1 cup of milk, or half and half like I'm using. So you're gonna pour 1 cup. This is where you may need somebody to hold the bag for you so you can pour it in without spilling it. Let's see if I can do it without spilling. Just gently pour it carefully into the bag, just like that. Okay, then you're also going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So you want to make sure that you have your measuring tool so you can put just the right amount. And then you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, extract. So I'm going to pour 1/2 teaspoon in there. Okay, then I'm going to seal this up. And it's really important that you get all of the air out of this bag. So try to get all of that air out. So there's my liquid mixture. You can see it's pretty watery. It looks exactly like milk. I'm gonna double bag that also, just to prevent any kind of spilling inside the big bag. So again, make sure you get all the air out. I'm gonna get all the air out of this small bag, and then the bag where the ice and the salt is, you're gonna put this bag inside that bag, zip it up, get all that air out. You can hear that air escaping. And here comes the fun part. You do need gloves or pot holders for this. I'm gonna use pot holders. They're a little bit thicker than gloves, and it's what I had. So this part, you're gonna have fun with it. You're going to take this And for about 7 to 10 minutes, you're gonna shake it just like this. Oh, you can see my bag again. So you're gonna shake that for about 7 to 10 minutes. And when you're done, you should have ice cream. I'm gonna pause here and give myself time to shake, and then I'll come back with our finished product. Okay, so I shook that for about 9 minutes. You can do anywhere from 7 to 10. Let's see what happens. So I'm taking out the bag from the ice, opening it up. It looks like ice cream. I'll show you what the inside looks like. Can you see that? So then if I take it out and do a taste test, it is ice cream. Let's see how it tastes. It does taste like ice cream. So what you can do, you can try that on your own. You can post a picture, you can send me a video of how your experiment went. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.